Next, we're going to go to dust collection. With the dust collection system, it is a central dust collection. It not only controls the dust at truck loading point or the mixer, it also controls the dust from the silos. As it comes into the dust collector, the filters will pulse, dropping everything to the bottom, and you have an automatic reclaim system that will reclaim every 2 hours back into your silo. On the reclaim system, you have your blower in the back, your vane feeder. Your vane feeder is actually what drops the product into the pipe. Your blower blows it back up into the silo. With the dust collector, you want to make sure that the filters are kept clean, and you can see there is a hatch on the side of the unit to where you can easily take that hatch off, take a look at the filters, and make sure they are clean. You also have a magnehelic. That magnehelic will tell you the pressure level in the dust collector itself. Maintenance on the unit, it consists of greasing the motor, greasing the bearings for the fan itself. If you would need to change your filters, you do that from the top. You open it up, they pull out, there's a cage that they're in, or that's inside of them. You put that cage in the new filter, drop it down in. With the cleaning of the filters, you have this photohelic. The gauges denote your high setting, your low setting, and your actual pressure inside the plenum. We typically set them on 4 and 7. So when the pressure gets up to 7, it will automatically kick on the jet pulsers to clean your filters. When it gets down to 4, it will automatically shut them off. You have an auto off manual switch. You leave that in auto, it works with the photohelic. If you turn it to manual, they'll just pulse until you turn it off. On the dust collector, you have your air chamber for your jet pulsers. It consists of your valve, water separator, regulator, and the chamber itself. Again, water separator, drain it every day. Regulator, set to 100 psi. If you would have a problem with your jet pulsers, you'll know you'll lose all air in the plant. Your air will go to 0. That is a sign that you have a problem with a jet pulser stuck open, and you need to troubleshoot them and see which one it is.